Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a light on your Audi A4. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and has cooled down to prevent any burns. It is also wise to consult your owner's manual. It provides specific bulb types and detailed instructions for your particular model, ensuring a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access that bulb. Begin by opening your car's hood and locating the headlight assembly, typically found at the front of the engine bay. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or clips that secure the entire headlight unit in place. Do this gently to avoid damage. Once exposed, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the base of the old bulb, preparing it for removal. With the old bulb exposed, gently twist or unclip it from its housing. When handling the new bulb, it is critically important to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it seats securely and correctly. A proper fit prevents future issues and ensures optimal light performance. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Firmly reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed bulb, ensuring a snug fit. Carefully replace any covers or clips that you removed earlier, making sure they are secured properly to protect the assembly. Before you hit the road, turn on your vehicle and test the new light to confirm it functions correctly. This ensures your safety and compliance with regulations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.